How to Michael Jackson pick in CS2. Well, the good thing is that you can be picked like Michael Jackson when you press Alt between strafing with A and D, only if you paste this or follow this command here. So the first thing to do is go to Steam, look for CS, tap Manage, and then go to Browse Files. Okay, and then under Browse Files, you just have to click this game. Scroll down and look for CSGO, tap this one, and then here you have to simply click this, and then what you're going to do is simply look for autoexec.cfg. If not, if you don't have that here, you just have to simply right click and then click new. Now go to text and then kindly type autoexec.cfg. So what you're going to do is simply click txt here. Once done, you just have to simply press enter or click yes. Okay, so always remember delete txt and then replace with cfg. Once done, what you're going to do is to simply open that, and then you just have to go to paste bean, I mean this side, and you just have to copy this command, and then go back to your Steam, particularly in autoexec.cfg. Once done, you have to make sure that you can see it also right here under General. Now click play. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.